got a little bit of water.
On the tree with a bunch of dogs in it.
Let you get out and shoot them, because I ain't getting down anymore.
You're already wet. I mean, what worse could happen? Whoa! I missed that one. It'll come back. It'll come back. That was a good one. Yeah.
This fan's gonna get hit. But we're good. We're on the broken, so yeah, it's still gonna be loud. Yeah, it'd be hurt. You're in your hair. If you're frozen. Freeze frozen. We ate at that Nevis's. Yeah.
That wasn't very good.
No, they suck.
The service is awful.
Is it raining here? Yeah. He was shaking his hair out. I'm like, damn, where's this thing leaking at? I hear some hail.
Yeah.
Man, Tom, if you just go across this highway and up the hill, it's amazing up there, man. It's beautiful country. You don't want to go there in this, though. Yeah, there's about 4 low water bridges up there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and it'll be inside the van by now. They're awesome up that way, huh? We can go for a couple. Well, we can probably go a couple, yeah. Let's just stay safe and stay on the road.
Whoa, that one was close. Yes, that is hell. I know. Dude. We got hell insurance, right?
It's company, man.
Yeah.
Get under this.
Look at that. You can see better through here than you can your window.
I'm gonna just watch it up.
You ought to get a picture of that.
I've been. It won't focus on it.
Yeah, Robert. Okay, Robert's seen the Kansas Sept. Man, that has killed some dogs that were in the trees.
Oh, yeah.
That's the problem. They gift it and spooks them out. 1 year Texas bass, and it's big. It killed all the dogs.
Really?
That's what they said. Because it spooks them out, you know.